Hello friends, welcome to MechSearch. Now we are going to see the job notification which was released by HLL Infratech Service Limited. They are looking for the experienced professionals in various levels in the area of infrastructure development, biomedical engineering, procurement and other functions like finance, HR, IT, etc. Let's see the discipline, essential qualification and experience details. Infrastructure development, position Deputy Vice President Civil, maximum age limit is 50 years, qualification BE BTech in Civil Engineering, pay range E5 grade 32,900 to 58,000, minimum 12 years post qualification work experience in project planning, detailed engineering coordination with all techno commercial aspects and finalization of tender documents. Finance division, Deputy Vice President, position name, maximum age limit is 50 years, essential qualification CR ICWA final, their pay scale also same, experience also same, minimum 12 years. Then biomedical engineering, Deputy Vice President, staff position name, maximum age and pay scale is same, essential qualification BE or BTech in biomedical engineering, and the candidate have minimum of 12 years post qualification work experience required out of which at least 10 years in senior managerial position. The person must have at least 5 years of experience in radiotherapy field, thorough knowledge of gap analysis for hospital equipment, preparing equipment's price estimate for budgeting, hospital planning. Information technology, the essential qualification is BE or BTech IT in full time, maximum age 45 to 50 years, position name is Deputy Vice President or Deputy General Manager IT, having 1 vacancies, pay scale also same, experience also same. The domains are they have experience in computer hardware, network and security system, hands-on experience in troubleshooting network components, firewall, local area network, WAN and etc. Procurement and consultancy, maximum age limit is 45 years, qualification is graduate in engineering, pay scale is 29,100 to 54,500, minimum 10 years is enough to apply this post. Then biomedical division, maximum age limit is 45 years, essential qualification is BE BTech in biomedical engineering, salary is same as the procurement consultancy, minimum 10 years experience. Then see the infrastructure development, having BE BTech full time, Chief Project Manager and Senior Manager Civil. For Chief Project Manager, maximum age limit is 50. For Senior Manager, maximum age limit is 45. For Chief Project Manager, minimum 15 years is required experience. For Senior Manager, minimum 8 years of post qualification work experience is enough. And then I will explain the important things and important division of work they are hiring. Remaining you will download this notification and read it clearly. If you feel you are eligible for this requirement, you can apply. Infrastructure development, project engineer, electrical, mechanical, maximum age limit is 40 years. Qualification BE or BTech in electrical or mech, or diploma in electrical or mech. Experience is minimum 8 years for degree holders, 11 years for diploma holders. Then see the information technology. The position name is manager or deputy manager. Maximum age limit is 40. Qualification is BE or BTech in information technology or computer science. Minimum 5 years for manager, 3 years for deputy manager of post qualification work experience. Totally the 44 different vacancies are there here. For infrastructure development, site engineer civil, BE or BTech civil full time or diploma in civil. Minimum 1 years for degree holder, 3 years for diploma holders. Let's see the selection procedure. Remaining job details you can view this by downloading the notification. The selection process is selection of candidates for position mentioned against the serial number 35 to 44 will be through skill assessment test. For remaining positions mentioned against serial number 1 to 34, eligible candidates shortlisted based on the initial scrutiny will be called for interview. Suitable communication in the record will send to the candidates individually. The last date for this submission of application is May 28, 2020. Due to the COVID-19, they are extended this date till May 28, 2020.